Hello everyone, in this video, we'll walk through how to use ElevenLabs. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and visit ElevenLabs.io. The link is in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the Get Started for Free button. Now, enter your credentials to sign into your account. If you did not create an account on ElevenLabs, click on the Sign Up with Google button and create an account. Here you can create custom voices that match real human voices. Click on the drop-down to explore many characters that you can use to create any voiceover. Click on the play button to listen to the preview of any character.
But these are not normal times in our politics. Washington is as divided as ever.
Moreover, to explore more voices, click on the Add a Voice button. Click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Next, click on Voice Library. Here you can explore thousands of characters that the ElevenLabs community has created. From the top bar, you can choose characters according to your desired field. Whether for a podcast host, a historical figure, or even a fictional character, ElevenLabs can synthesize any voice with remarkable accuracy. You can also find characters for every language.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
Simply add any character to your voice lab by clicking on the Add to Voice Lab button. After selecting the character, click on Voice Settings. You can adjust stability, clarity, and style exaggeration to make your voice more natural and impactful. Next, in the text box, enter the desired text that you wish to transcribe into audio. You can type in any language, and ElevenLabs will translate your text into that language. Finally, click on the Generate button. After a short processing time, ElevenLabs will convert your text into a voiceover.
Hello everyone, welcome to Startup Debt.
You can download this voiceover by simply clicking on the Download button. Now let's explore another amazing feature of ElevenLabs, voice dubbing. With ElevenLabs, you can dub your video voiceover to another language or voice. To do this, click on the dubbing option from the left sidebar. Next, enter your dubbing project name. Then, choose your source language and target language. Click on the Upload box, then select your desired video. Click on the Create button. This process will take a short time and change your voice to your desired language. Now let's talk about the pricing of ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs provides very cheap prices compared to other AI tools. You can enjoy the starter plan for just $1 for the first month. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of ElevenLabs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.